Effective Note-Taking Strategies for TOEFL's Integrated Speaking Task 3. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most challenging sections of the TOEFL exam, the Integrated Speaking Task 3. One key strategy to ace this task is mastering the art of note-taking. So, buckle up and let's explore the best note-taking tactics for the listening segment of this task. In the Integrated Speaking Task 3, you'll be required to listen to a lecture or a conversation and then provide a spoken response. It's virtually impossible to remember all the details from the listening segment, especially under pressure. That's where note-taking becomes crucial. By jotting down the main points and supporting details, you equip yourself with a structured overview that you can refer to when formulating your response. One of the keys to efficient note-taking is abbreviation. You don't have time to write complete sentences while listening. Instead, focus on keywords, words that capture the essence of the point being made. Symbols. Instead of writing increase, you might just draw an upward arrow. Similarly, a change can be represented by a tilde. Numbers and dates. If any specific numbers or dates are mentioned, note them down as they often represent crucial details. Instead of writing in full sentences, aim to structure your notes in bullet points, organized hierarchically. Here's a brief rundown. Main points. These should be your primary bullet points. Supporting details. Under each main point, jot down any examples, reasons, or evidence given. Opinions or counterpoints. If the speaker mentions a contrasting view or brings up objections, make a note of it. Active listening is the foundation of effective note-taking. Here are some tips. Predict the content. Before the listening segment begins, try to predict the type of content you might hear. This way, you're mentally prepared to identify and note down the key points. Listen for signpost words. Words like, firstly, however, in addition, help signal the structure of the talk and guide you on what to write next. Don't panic. If you miss a point, stay calm. Keep listening actively and continue with your notes. After the listening segment is over, you'll have a brief moment before you start speaking. Use this time wisely. Review your notes. Ensure that they make sense and you've captured the essential details. Identify gaps. If something is unclear, it's better to exclude it from your response than to provide inaccurate information. Structure your response. Use your notes to create a cohesive answer, ensuring you address the task's requirements. Remember, language learners, practice makes perfect. The more you practice your note-taking strategies, the more confident you'll become. We hope this video has equipped you with effective tactics to conquer the Integrated Speaking Task 3. Happy studying, and best of luck on your TOEFL journey.